Hi guys! Hello again! Oh my God! Hello again! Okay, so today, gumawa na rin ako ng video sa look na to, di ba? Ang ganda. Kaya you guys, hello, you guys have to wear this rhinestone. I'm telling you, oh my God, if you do this, by tomorrow you have a boyfriend. Oh my God, grabe guys. Okay, so hello again. Hello everyone. Maupay nga aga na po. Kay aga na nga diha amon. Maupay nga aga. And if you are new to my channel, by the way, my name is Ro. And of course, to my new subscriber, thank you so much. And of course, to all my OG subscriber, thank you guys. Okay, so today, hindi po tayo mag-makeup. Kasi, tapos na po ako mag-makeup. So, I just want to show you guys, ang ganda ng rhinestone. Grabe talaga. Ayan o, ang ganda. Diyos ko, grabe. Ay, nako. Anyway, isi-share ko lang po sa inyo. But first time po ako magbili ng, hindi naman, mga sales siyang yung cosmetics. Sale siya sa sa isang store. And why not, you know? Try ko kasi every month nakaka-receive talaga ako ng BoxyCharms. Yung first video na pinakita ko sa inyo, yun. So, yung January box ko, hindi ko pa na-receive. But, mga kailangan ko lang. Yung presyo nila, I just wanna share with you. This is the like, two different kinds of eyeliner. So, this one is, what do you call that? Kohl eyeliner. So, yung presyo nito was $7.28. And now, it is $2.26. Isn't that so? Ito yung Kohl eyeliner. And then, this one is gel eyeliner. My God, guys. I grab it right away. So, this one's $2.26. Same as this one. This is $2.26. And the regular price is $7.28. Can't you believe, guys? Oh my God. It's a Neutrogena brand. Oh my God, I love Neutrogena. And then I have one more. How much was it? I think I paid. So this one is Milani 3D mascara extension. Oh my God, really? I have not tried this one. Root to Tip Blush extension. Kung maliit po yung eyelashes mo, pwede mo siyang keep using it at this. Tapos parang nag-extension siya. Grabe ah. Tingnan niyo oh. Ayan, tingnan mo yung picture. Tingnan mo. Ganda, di ba? Ganda. Okay. So, hindi naman marami yung nabili ko, okay? Kaya very short clip lang yung video ko. And then I got this skin clearing blemish girl, kagaya ko po, na nagkaka-acne ako noon. So, mahal ito sa Pilipinas yata noon, nung bata pa ako. Pero, wala naman kami pera, diba? So, oh well. So, this one, it's concealer. Neutrogena din yung, yung brands. So, yung regular price niya is $8.97. Pero, nabili ko po siya ng $2.50. Oh, you guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Diba? Ganda. Bali to siya is blemish treatment with salicylic acid. Concentrates blemishes, natural looking coverage. So, to be honest with you guys, this is good. Because you know why? I've tried this before. Oh my God. Hindi na po ako nagka-acne. Wala na akong acne, pero may acne scar ako. Diba? And then the last one. Okay, the last one, this is Wet and Wild. This is lip gloss. Is it lip gloss? Lip gloss. So, yung yung regular price niya is $1.98. So, that's 50% off. Magkano na lang? 50 cents. Ay, hindi pala. 99 cents pala. 99 cents. So, how much? Mga 48 pesos sa atin. Grabe ha. Dito talaga nagsisell sila. So, anyway guys. So, yun lang po. Share ko lang po yung mga nabili ko po. Ayan o. Grabe ah. Magkano ba yun? Ito, 50% off to. Magkano yung bili ko nito? So, once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my very short clip video. And I do appreciate you guys, to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And of course, my OG subscribers. Thank you talaga. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. Dahil you guys are wasting your time to watch my video. Oh my God. To be honest with you guys, I wasted this time to just put makeup for an hour. Don't you guys know that? Do you know how much time I put in with this rhinestone? But anyway guys, thank you so much. Whatever my blessing is your blessing. Okay guys, I love you.